Hi all. Welcome to Bacareers. Business Analysis for Beginners. In this video let us discuss what is Scrum and what are Scrum roles. Topics covered in this video. 1. What is Scrum? 2. Product Backlog 3. Scrum Roles 4. Product Owner 5. Scrum Master 6. Development Team. What is Scrum? Scrum is not a methodology. Scrum is a framework. That means it provides the opportunity to work as per the project needs or requirements with a cross-functional team to reach the project goals. It helps us to interact with people easily. Scrum is very popular nowadays, and we can say without putting Agile in your resume you will not even get interview calls also. Don't worry and do not think too much to understand what Scrum is. Let us discuss in simple words. Mostly it will be used in implementation of projects. When we are discussing Scrum, we should understand and remember the Scrum terminology and terms used. I am trying to explain in a simple way. Product backlog. Need to prepare the product backlog. It contains the list of user stories. User story is nothing but requirements. Once we prepare the product backlog, we will prioritize the user stories which can be implemented in this sprint. Scrum roles. Product owner PO. He will decide what needs to be done in this sprint project and he is responsible for managing the product backlog. He will be the responsible person for the product, like how the product should be and all. He interacts with business analysts and customers. This role may be played by BA or any person who has strong knowledge on product and who works with end users for a long time. Depending on the project, client also may play this role. Scrum Master SM. He will monitor the performance of the team within the sprint. Team will raise all their concerns and issues to Scrum Master. He is responsible for providing solutions to the team. He will interact with the stakeholders to address the issues and concerns raised by the team. This role can be played by any person in a team. Usually business analysts will play this role. Development team. Cross-functional team who are self-organized. Scrum team. Resources who are working in this project are formed as Scrum team, which comprises business analyst, developers and testers. If you are looking for certification, you can refer scrum.org. I hope this video helped you to provide overview on Scrum. As a business analyst, we need to know what SDLC is and what are the phases involved in SDLC. If I miss out anything, please mention in comments, so that it helps us to cover in coming videos. You can click on the link below to get more articles. Happy learning. All the best. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.